Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me on going over how to log your Adult Summer Reading Club raffle tickets for this year's Summer Reading Club program at Longview Public Library. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to longviewtexas.gov/library. This will take you to the library's webpage. Once it loads, you're going to go to the Services tab and then click on the Adult Summer Reading Club link. This will bring you to the Adult Summer Reading Club page. It has information about the events going on, our challenges, registration info. I do want to remind you that registration is still open. You can be 18 or older. You don't have to have a library card to participate, and you'll just go to one of these links here, either register online image or the link that says register online with this Google form link to get registered, or staff here at the library can help you with that as well. As you scroll down further, you'll find information about our weekly reading challenges. So for every 100 pages read or 2 hours listened of an audiobook, that equals 1 raffle ticket. So 200 pages equals 2 raffle tickets, and 4 hours listened to equals 2 raffle tickets. You can either click on the image that says submit for a weekly raffle drawing ticket online, or click the link below it. You can also come in person this year and fill out a physical raffle ticket and place that ticket in the box over by our display cases. So in order to submit an online raffle ticket, what I'm going to do is click on the link here that says participants can submit raffle tickets online using a Google form. Just a reminder, each week we will have these drawings, and it opens it up for more prizes and chances to win. You do have to be registered for the Adult Summer Reading Club in order to win. So that is something that is double checked against our registration list. You'll have 1 week from notification to pick up the raffle prize, and if you don't pick it up in a week's time, then another name will be pulled. So you'll fill out some simple information on this Google form, such as last name, first name, phone number, and then from here, you're going to choose your raffle ticket entry. So in the drop-down menu, you can choose 1 raffle ticket, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you have more than that to submit at once, you'll have to do this form again. So again, every 100 pages read or 2 hours listened to on an audiobook equals 1 raffle ticket. So I'm going to choose 1 and then click submit. Once you click submit, it then sends all your information to the library and your raffle ticket has been submitted for the week. If you have any questions, you can always call us at 903-237-1350. Stay tuned for further fun events that we have planned this year, and I hope you have a great summer.